Heartburn.
Alright, enough.
Hey, you had to do it again.
Why you make me do it? So that time I thought I would remember, but I didn't.
You didn't. You just
No.
fall for it every time.
I just like the camera.
I think you do. You like working with the little technical things.
Yes,
like, hey,
I
look
press
at
the
me.
button.
I'm Thomas. I'm gonna work with
Are
the
you making fun of me?
No, no, I'm not.
All right.
I think so.
What was
No,
that?
it was nothing. It was nothing.
I
Thomas.
saw you.
Honestly, Thomas, please. Thomas, please.
Don't
it's
even
okay.
talk to me anymore. I'm done with you.
Are you serious?
I'm
Are you
trying to
gonna-
make a video here.
I'm just insulted right now.
Alright,
Come
more
on back.
screen time for me. Everyone, this is my video. Charlie... Did you just hit me?
No, that was funny. I mean...
He hit me in my arm. If I was a football player right now, I'd be on the bench. That's what would happen.
What? Why on the bench?
Because when you get hurt in football, you have to sit out so you don't get any more injuries.
But that was only a little bit of a hit. Like, boom.
He does it again. Red card. Red card.
No,
I'm not making this video.
No, that was only a yellow at best. I mean, seriously.
Alright, fine.
It's true. I mean, what do you think? Tell us in the comments.
You tell us. What is it? Yellow, red, or whatever?
Orange. Because, I mean, you can't do blue because yellow and red are both
Right,
on the, you
right.
know, the one side. And then blue, purple, and green are on the other side. They're like, hoya, let's fight. Let's fight.
Did you just challenge me to a fight?
Just be fisticuffs.
Yes.
Look how cool I look.
No.
Ew, it's cool,
no.
Charlie again.
No.
What's
I
wrong?
hate when he does this. He puts up
I'm
his collar
cool.
and he thinks he's cool.
I
Charlie.
am cool. It's official.
No, Charlie, you're not.
Charlie is cool.
Alright, in the comment section, red card, blue card, whatever
Orange
card.
card, Charlie is cool. Write it down.
No,
No,
you
write
have to
it down.
tell us.
No,
Do you
no,
think
no,
Charlie
no.
is cool?
Write it down.